Now we want to move to the latest from the deadly July 4th flooding. Governor Abbott this afternoon revealed the death toll has climbed to 135 people statewide.
While search and recovery efforts continue across the hard-hit Central Texas region, volunteers in North Texas are still pulling together to try to sort through some donations. Fox 4's Dion Anglin is live with those details tonight. Dion.
Hi there, Steve. Well, the generosity and the deep concern for Central Texas, it just continues to show up in so many ways.
Said if it's not items that are on this list on the board, we're just going to move all those over here into this pile of miscellaneous.
It's not hard work, but heart work. Fort Worth and surrounding communities have stepped up to the tune of every item here you see.
But if it is bath soap, any kind of hygiene, toothpaste, deodorant, things like that, we'll keep that together.
Donated goods from North Texans and companies bound for Central Texas flood victims.
What you're seeing here today is the drop-off is now done. We're not taking any more items, but we're trying to figure out how many items we've got. It's a tedious, it's very labor intensive. They're going through the boxes, they're going through the bags. We're putting things in pallets to where we've got it wrapped. If we get a call from a community down there in Central Texas and they just need diapers, we've got pallets of diapers that we can just ship down.
And the need is great. Search and recovery efforts following the devastating floods in Central Texas communities continues. The floods have claimed 135 lives. 116 of those victims were in the Kerrville area. Governor Greg Abbott in San Angelo Thursday afternoon shared an update and his hope for the upcoming special session.
We're going to look for strategies that we can pass laws on that will make preparation for these types of events better, make response to these types of events better, to make sure that we leave this disaster in a way that puts Texas in a better position going forward than we were before this devastating storm hit our state.
In Fort Worth for this moment, helping hands are city employees who have volunteered their time.
We've got stormwater, we've got TP&W, we've got our streets teams, we've got various other departments within the city that, like I said, they just wanted to help.
And those shipments, those very organized shipments, will begin to head out for Central Texas within the next couple of days. That's the very latest live. Steve, Heather, back to you.
All right, Dion Anglin, thank you.